In today's video, I'll show you how to accept payments in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to get paid automatically when clients book appointments, this setup is essential for your business. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Payment Settings section from the left-hand menu. This is where all payment options are managed. Now you'll need to connect a payment processor. Acuity supports options like Stripe, PayPal, and Square depending on your location. Click on your preferred payment provider and select Connect. You will be redirected to the provider's login page. Sign into your account and authorize Acuity to access your payment system. After connecting, return to Acuity and choose how you want to charge clients. You can set full payment at booking, require a deposit, or allow payment only for specific appointment types. Next, go to your Appointment Type section and open each service you want to charge for. Make sure payment is enabled for those services. You can also enable coupons, packages, or subscription payments depending on your business model. Once everything is set, click Save Settings to activate payments. Now, when clients book an appointment, they will see a payment screen where they can pay instantly using the connected payment method. Before finishing, test your booking flow to make sure payments are being processed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up payment acceptance in Acuity Scheduling and automated your booking payments. And that's how you accept payments in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.